On January 30th, 2024, the Cygnus Robotic resupply spacecraft took off for its 20th mission, carrying various experiments to the International Space Station. Not only did we get a spectacular view of the stage separation, but watch as the Canadarm captures the robotic module. One of the most intriguing aspects of this mission is the robotics experiments being conducted in space. These experiments include remote surgery and 3D printing, pushing the boundaries of space exploration. One such robot, GITAI S2, is a 1.5-meter-long autonomous dual robotic arm system. The company, a startup, wants to revolutionize on-orbit services such as maintenance, inspection, and life extension operations for satellites. The robot is equipped with high-resolution cameras to track its motion and dexterous grippers and tools to handle equipment similar to an astronaut. This will, of course, reduce the need for lengthy spacewalks for astronauts. Another example includes robotic surgeons, which would have the capacity to operate on simulated astronaut tissue in space while being controlled by surgeons from the ground. This could potentially change telemedicine as we know it on our planet. However, operating in space presents unique challenges, such as communication delays and microgravity. The ultimate goal of these experiments is to enable surgeries on astronauts remotely, reducing the need for large crews and complex rendezvous missions for longer journeys in our solar system. Additionally, experiments on metal 3D printing in microgravity could lead to on-demand tools and parts in space. Metal printing on the Earth's surface has progressed a lot over the past decades, as this one here by Relativity Space. One new area of development is printing in space to obtain tools and replacement parts on the spot, which could be experimented using prototypes similar to the one developed by Airbus. As we embark on this journey of discovery, we envision a future where space technology not only enhances life in orbit, but also transforms healthcare and manufacturing here on Earth. If you like this video and would like to watch more information snippets about space and robotics, feel free to give a like and subscribe for more such contents.